Happy birthday to you.
Aw, thanks, guys.
Yay! And now, the piñata.
I've been looking forward to this.
Like a colourful explosion.
Yeah, a colourful explosion. Curiosity?
Yes, Captain Zoo.
Let's find out about colourful explosions.
This paint looks like it's making a colorful explosion. Sometimes the sunset on a cloudy day can make it look like the sky has exploded. You can also make a colorful explosion with powder. These humans are throwing colored powder in the air at something called the Holy Festival. And the piñata at this birthday party has made a colorful explosion too.
That piñata explosion really was colourful.
Well, it sure left a colourful mess.
You know, Zoom, the piñata didn't really explode. It split because Mark hit it.
Oh, so what is a real explosion then?
Well, Zoom, let me show you. A real explosion is the sudden release of lots of energy. My favourite kind of explosion is caused by a chemical reaction. Some chemical reactions can produce a lot of gas. And if that gas is trapped inside something with nowhere to go, a lot of pressure builds up and then... kaboom! It explodes!
Well, I would love to see one of those chemical reaction explosions.
Well then, let's ask for help.
Curiosity, search for some curious young humans, please.
Certainly, Captain Zoo. Located curious young humans, Dara and Leah.
Okay then, Curiosity crew, let's get going. Look, it's the Curiosity. Hi, Leah. Hi, Dara. Hi, Zoom.
Can you help us? Can you show Zoom a chemical reaction?
Yes, we can. Let's find out.
Okay, this experiment needs a sandwich bag, vinegar, food coloring, and baking soda.
Vinegar and baking soda sandwiches. They sound yummy.
No, Zoom, it's not for eating.
Oh,
Leah and Dara are going to try and start a chemical reaction in the bag.
I can't wait to see that.
First, they're adding food coloring to the vinegar to give it a nice color.
Yeah, we need 6 tablespoons of baking soda. What's that powder?
It's baking soda. They're putting some in their sandwich bag.
We're gonna lay down the bag.
And in goes the vinegar. Vinegar and baking soda are the ingredients for the chemical reaction. When they mix together, they make a lot of gas very quickly. Leah is sealing the bag very tight so that all the gas will be trapped inside.
And zip.
Now they have to mix up the vinegar and baking soda and stand well back.
The bag is swelling up. Ooh, I'm so excited.
That's all the gas made by the chemical reaction. Look, there's too much pressure in the bag, so it's going to...
Explode! They made an explosion.
They sure did. See how the gas from the chemical reaction was trapped inside the bag until... pop!
Thanks, Leah and Dara. That was a blast. Let's find out. Today I asked about explosions. Zooming around with Zoom, that's me!
We're out of water again, guys.
Oh, excuse me. I think I drank a bit too quickly.
Zoom, did you know that explosions can also be very useful?
How?
Well, you can use them to move things.
What kind of things?
Curiosity? Let's take a look. Things like rockets and jet planes. In a rocket, chemical reactions in the engines cause explosions that shoot hot gases out the bottom and push the rocket up into the air.
Wow! That is one big explosion, all right.
Explosive chemical reactions also help jet planes go, Zoom. They shoot hot gases out the back, which make the plane go forward.
Let's fly